Hi guys, I've got around 5-6 messages from the students who have got COVID in the last 24 hour to 48 hour, or their family member have a COVID, and they're asking me whether I should go for the exam or not. I couldn't answer this question to them because if I say yes, then it's an ethical issue. If I say no, then of course uska career ka सवाल है. So what I did, I posted this on my channel. If you are tested positive, you have studied well for the exam, prepared with 20 marks, scoring good. But now COVID, what will you do? Will you give the exam or not? 8,900 people replied, and the shocking part was, which I was not expecting this. Trust me, I was not expecting this at all. 80% said yes, they will go for the exam. And I think this is one of the major reasons why COVID cases are going up in the country again. But I can't blame them for that यार. उसका he have studied for the exam यार. He is well prepared for the exam. एक साल पूरा waste होगा. That is also issue. Only 20% people said that they will work hard next year. Yep. So this is a shocking thing. And 4 comments which I've got on this is the total 54 comments. You should see the comments. But the 4 main comments which I'm going to talk about them, because they kind of cover up every different kind of a scenario which is there. Alright, these are the 4 arguments which are presented here, and they kind of cover up everything which can happen. If I missed anything, you can post in the comments. So the first person who is saying here is, unless you are in PPE, you should be arrested for endangering the other's life. So number one, what he's trying to say is that if you are wearing PPE, or if you're wearing a proper covering yourself, maintaining social distancing, you can go for the exam. So I'm taking this is the meaning of the comment here. So one of them is saying yes, you should go for the exam, and a lot of people have said, yeah, people can't repeat, they can't waste 1 year. Fine, they should go for the exam. This is argument number 1 which is presented here. Second argument, I was tested positive yesterday and obviously not sitting for the CMET exam. I don't even know why there should be a dilemma here. Very good point, Junkyard. So, but I can assume one thing, you might not be well prepared for the exam. That could be one argument here. Otherwise, very wise call. Of course, you should not endanger other people. Maybe you have a CET as a backup as well. That's why you are saying this thing. Or maybe you are willing to repeat 1 more year. So, I'll give you a like here for saying this thing. Okay, third point. I feel there should be an alternate given by the government. Yes, that's a very good argument. There should be a COVID room where all the COVID positive patient can come and give the exam. Very good point. But I don't know whether that can be done, because we don't know, number one, how many students are going to come. So a lot of arguments around that, but that's a very good, very valid point. And the fourth point, COVID की चिंता अगर होती तो गवर्नमेंट खुद एग्ज़ाम बंद कर देती. Super point, super point. Just like how NEET and JEE was conducted. Yeah. So if the other exam can be cancelled, अगर गवर्नमेंट को इतनी टेंशन है तो उसको कर दो, कोविड को दे दो. बट यार, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हैव गॉट कोविड देखा जाए तो 1%, 2%, 5% मैक्स टू मैक्स. फॉर दीज 5%, वाई रिमेनिंग 95% पीपल शुड सफ़र. ठीक है, एग्ज़ाम अगर बंद कर देता तो फिर कब करवाता? बाद में, और 2 महीने बाद, 3 महीने बाद. सो इट्स लाइक यू आर काइंड ऑफ पोस्टपोनिंग योर एग्ज़ाम्स. कितना डिले यार, सीमेट का एग्ज़ाम इज ऑलरेडी डिलेड इनफ. So these are 4 arguments. I will not put forward my point. It's totally there's a huge dilemma here. So this have no solution to this. You have to take your call, because this is ethical issue with you. ठीक है, all the best.